Hey, if you've been wanting to lose weight, but the idea of a gym feels overwhelming, or maybe it's just not something you can afford right now, I want you to know that's completely okay. Because honestly, some of the most effective workouts happen right at home, with zero equipment. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. I know how it feels to want to make a change, but not know where to start. So today, I'm going to keep things simple. I'll walk you through a few beginner-friendly exercises that actually work, explain why they help, and give you some real tips you can use starting today. No complicated routines, no pressure, just practical steps you can take at your own pace. Now, before we get into the movements, let me quickly explain something important. Weight loss, at its core, comes down to burning more calories than you consume. And the good news is, you don't need a treadmill or a weight rack to make that happen. Your own body weight is far more powerful than most people realize, so let's use it. We'll start with jumping jacks. I know, they might seem basic, but there's a reason they've been around forever. They warm up your entire body, get your heart rate up fast, and start the calorie burning process right away. Try doing 3 sets of 45 seconds each with a short 20-second rest in between. Land softly on your feet and breathe steadily throughout. Once you're warmed up and feeling good, we'll move into squats. Now, squats might feel simple, but they're incredibly powerful for weight loss because they target your legs, and your legs are home to some of the biggest muscles in your body. The bigger the muscle, the more calories it burns, even after your workout is done. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Lower yourself down like you're sitting back into a chair, then press back up through your heels. Do 3 sets of 15 reps and focus on feeling that burn in your thighs and glutes. From there, we'll move into mountain climbers, which take things up a notch in the best way. This exercise combines cardio and core work all in one move, making it one of the most efficient things you can do for fat loss at home. Start in a high plank, then drive your knees toward your chest one at a time, alternating quickly. 3 sets of 30 seconds. If it feels intense, that's normal. Just breathe through it and keep going at a pace that feels challenging but controlled. After that, we'll slow things down just slightly with push-ups. Push-ups are incredible for building upper body strength while also keeping your heart rate elevated. If the full version feels too hard right now, drop to your knees. There's absolutely no shame in that. Everyone starts somewhere. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, chest close to the ground, body in a straight line, and press back up with control. And finally, we'll finish with a plank. After all that movement, the plank is a calm but powerful way to close out your workout. It builds deep core strength, improves your posture, and supports every other exercise you do. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Rest and repeat 3 times. Keep your hips level, your back flat, and just breathe. Now, I want to be honest with you about something, and I think this is the most important part of the whole video. Exercise alone won't get you the results you're looking for if the rest of your habits aren't supporting you. Consistency matters more than intensity. Showing up 4 or 5 times a week, even when you don't feel like it, will always beat one perfect workout followed by 2 weeks of nothing. Pair your workouts with a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods, lean protein, and staying hydrated. And please, don't underestimate sleep. Your body does so much of its recovery and fat burning while you rest. 7 to 8 hours a night is not a luxury. It's part of the process. So here's where I'll leave you. You don't need a gym, you don't need equipment, you just need a little bit of space, a little bit of consistency, and the decision to start. That's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, it really does mean a lot. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and if you have questions or want to share how it's going, drop a comment below. I read every single one. You've got this, one day at a time.